What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel.
Hello.
Today we are gonna be throwing on the wheels. 19 divided by 16. This.
Divided.
Oh, Warp9 got my order wrong. This was supposed to be silver rim with purple nipples, silver spokes and purple hub, but they switched the rim color and the nipples around, and we ain't trying to wait no more
Still very nice.
because we waited for this.
How year?
I thought it was like 1 year and 3 months.
Yeah.
So
Before I even got the Surrons.
yeah,
That's how long it was.
so it's still not too bad because I was kind of going like a silver and purple theme, but I guess it passes. So we're gonna be throwing it on today. First things first, loosen up this nut and pull off the whole axle, which will get you looking like this. Take them out. So this guy's continuing to figure out his bike while I get started on mine's. Back wheels off, and I'm gonna have to transfer my 48 tooth sprocket to these wheels because I ordered it with 54, but I'm not gonna be using that. So Margo got his rear one on. Cherry dog. I just finished swapping my sprocket, but now I gotta swap my brake rotors because I get these one for put on. Match the purple dog. Update.
Updates.
His mustache gonna grow 1 millimeter.
Yeah, team long now.
Got my back on.
What we got here?
But Marco
Union.
just got his friend on.
I'll put back my kings on, you hear me?
Yeah, King suspension.
This is kings.
just the cover. But putting it on just the cover make them.
This one is kings. This is what is this? KKE.
Yeah,
This is kings.
it's converted.
This override, so this whole thing is kings.
Yeah.
Cleats.
Update. Nice. I just on Parma.
Kinda took forever, Amy.
Sure, right?
We got online.
Slowly but surely.
We got online. I leave in this man as well.
Yeah, just it's like how people leave the tag on their tires. Yeah.
Yeah. JV. I don't know. I'm gonna see.
It's because you're from the boat. Yeah, ready. Okay, help me on top this thing.
Huh?
Ready. I'm trying to yes, it's very nice. Cherry dog. Around the block.
Huh?
Around the block.
Round the ball.
Around the ball.
Oh,
Ooh.
that's for you.
Oh, round the ball.
Round the block.
Oh, I thought you said round the boat.
Oh, yours is released. What, your knuckle?
Yeah, unlock
What
them.
is it?
2P.
2B.
Oh, that is it. Sorry, I unraise them. Miss Rain that kind of shirts.
Oh.
Oh, looks like a dog.
What's it?
What is what? Both bikes off the stand. Hot dog.
Cherry? Zog.
Damn. Damn, cuz. Okay, test drive then.
That's right.
Yeah.
Clean up. Oh, fuck, I feel low.
Bro.
For me.
Yeah, you taught us, like. Purple can barely tell nighttime. But yours on shine brake. Headlight. Cherry dog.
Same place, boy.
For the most part. Back at the headquarters. How that face look like? Ooh. Anyways, we're gonna end it here tonight. Small kind of pregame for Sunday.
Oh, Sonic.
Yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, drop a comment down below, share vids, and
Subscribe. He work union now.
what's wrong?
You know where it is now.
It is what it is. What? For the better. Subscribe.